Kaluk Sabha ka ying dor bar thau an ka bahe du hakari na ka jing don nong mi khmat ki basha jet hau paj ba kata hadu sanspa sau pulai ngut ha ka khandai trek ulber arja arpun riu kala Pynpaw ya ka Jingsngewsih ya ka Jingkhlad no jong Dr. Ricky Andrew Jones Singkon uwei na ki MP ubra mi khmat ya ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency sya ka Lok Sabha ka bakhat phra ya ka jing penbana ha ka rukam ka batik kana ka bangi tip kum ka obituary reference kata ban pentip ha ka yeng dorbar halor ka jing don ki MP ki bamenta bat ki barim ki bala khlat la pule dau chairman uba shong ha ka suki jo lampang UNK Premachandran bat ki wei pat ki ba ka Lok Sabha ka la Pynpaw ya ka Jingsngewsih ki kentup ya saungot ki wei ki MP barim jong ka Lok Sabha ki bala khlat hau news nam haba pule ya ka obituary reference Premachandran ula pentip Bo Dr. Ricky Udairu, member of the Committee on Chemical and Fertilizers, Jong Parliament. Kumban Shupan Kenmau Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon, Ulakhlat no haka khat khandai tarik rempang arajar apun riu. Dr. Ricky ula syajit kumu MP hadian ke jingakun ke jong ya ka election MP House 6 arajar arpsau na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency na ka VPP ha ka bawla yo ya ka jing job ka bakraw bat ban yo long ru kum udkhot jong ka Lok Sabha ka bakhat phra. Hadian ke jing penbana jong Premachandran ka Lok Sabha ka lapen long ru ya ke jing sengap jar ka ba minute kum kadak jong ke jing sengaulam yau Dr. Ricky bat kiwei.
Obituary reference. Honorable members, with profound grief, I would inform the House about the passing away of our colleague and 4 former colleagues. Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Singkon was a sitting member of the 18th Lok Sabha representing the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency of Meghalaya. He was also a member of the Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers. Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Singkon passed away on 19th February 2026 in Shillong, Meghalaya at the age of 54 years. Kumari Sushila Thiriya was a member of the 10th and 11th Lok Sabha, representing Mayurbanj Parliamentary Constituency of Odisha. She also served as a member of Rajya Sabha for 2 terms. She was a member of various parliamentary committees. Kumari Sushila Thiriya passed away on 1st February 2026 in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, at the age of 69 years. Sri Devi Bakht Singh was a member of the 10th, 11th and 12th Lok Sabha, representing the Kyrwoh Parliamentary Constituency of Uttar Pradesh. Sri Singh was also a member of several parliamentary committees. Sri Devi Bakht Singh passed away on 9 February 2026 in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, at the age of 85 years. Sri Punmasi Ram was a member of the 15th Lok Sabha, representing the Gopalganj Parliamentary Constituency of Bihar. He had served as a member of the Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution. Earlier, he was a member of the Bihar Legislative Assembly for 5 terms and served as a minister in government of Bihar. Sri Punmasi Ram passed away on 25th February 2026 in Patna, Bihar, at the age of 76 years. And Sri K.P. Unnikrishnan was a member of the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, 9th and 10th Lok Sabha, representing the Vadagara Parliamentary Constituency of Kerala. He served as the Union Minister of Surface Transport and Minister of Communications, and also a member of several parliamentary committees. A widely travelled person, Sri Unnikrishnan was a member of various Indian delegations to represent the country abroad. Sri K.P. Unnikrishnan passed away on 3rd March 2026 in Kozhikode, Kerala, at the age of 89 years. The House deeply mourned the loss of our present colleague and 4 former colleagues. I am sure the House would join me in conveying our condolence to the bereaved families. The House may now stand in silence for a short while as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. The House stands adjourned to meet at 12 o'clock. The House stands adjourned to meet at 12 noon. Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya